hanyuma dutangiye dute abantu bakuru reka noneho nsubire inyuma gatoya nubwo filime 5 Days of War iminsi 5 y'intambara. Iyi ntambara ni yabaye hagati ya Russia n'igihugu cyitwa Georgia mu 2008. Utarakurikiye nakurikirire hano bastard. Georgia ni igihugu cy'abajyana ibi na Russia. Barakwereka tutangira
aburujisho ndetse n'amayobera kubashidikanyaho. Lionsgate Films, Lionsgate Entertainment Company barakugezaho. Turatangiye. Iyi ngiye kuyihana the best. Dutangira kuri ruhande ari imodoka ya gisirikare yari kubitirije urugendo. Urebe neza witonze. Sonora ni muri Mexico, niho dutangire Mexico. Mexico ni igihugu kiri mu majyepfo ya Amerika. Ho gatuwa cyane uvuye muri Amerika amajyaruguru.
Come on. It's not every day the Mexican government turns over one of the countries.
Ariko se mwana ubuyobozi bwa Mexico bumeze bute mwana?
Didn't ask, Tommy. Just following orders.
Basore mwi gerageza ko mwashaka kwinjira byinshi cyane. Twebwe icyo tujya gukora no gukurikiza amategeko twahawe.
Move out, make it quick. Any questions?
Icyo tujya gukora tubikora vuba. Ujye tugaruka. Warren umeze neza?
Sir.
Meze neza nyakubaho.
Oh, sir. Black and low, gentlemen.
Barakokinga. Aho baje. Icyo bagomba gukora ni kimwe, no gukurikiza amategeko. Niki kibazanye? Hakunanga ni mu cyaro cya Bahia Kino muri Mexico. Bahia Kino cyaro niko bakita Village of Bahia Kino. Ya modoka ya gisirikare yaraje parika kuri ruhande. Bari kumwe na Captain John Dutton. Marana muraka ariko agarutse mwita. Babiri kakunanga aha. Ibifoto.
Hey Santos, levántate.
Oh Santos.
Por ti.
Spanish ni iravugwa. Español.
Bien viene.
Uyu nguyu baramufunze ariko rubundi rumugera runywa.
Gracias.
Yebana n'uyukabisha. Mugosha. Uyu nguyu n'urumugera runywera muri gereza. Bamufungiye urumogi anarunywera muri gereza. Raka.
Senor Santos, you play this like a gentleman.
Mushuti Santos.
We'll do the same.
Nubundi ni handi byo bagufungira ibyo ugikora.
For the gentleman.
Nose imeze bite mwana umva twebwe nuko tumeze ni nuko tumeze. Ugiye kujyana natwe. Mwaka bitari kwino wa mukinga we. Wanyoye rwinshi wacuruje rwishi. Nubundi nibyo urimo urazira tugende. Natwe twigenderisha. Siye cyanwa bwe mugenzi we ngo bagende. Santos bakimara kumushyira mu modoka. Ari ndi modoka ari yaje. Wewe dufite gurikizi we.
First, we gotta move.
Dufite kwerekera. Raka. Santos wataramutwara. Bisasu. Santos wataramutwara dore sasu. Bisasa ha. Moto. Bisasu.
We gotta leave him.
Wewe tuvakuranga twete tujye ibintu byakomewe irondo ryifanze n'ibisambo. Irondo ryifanze n'ibisambo. Santos wataramutwara. Bose wataramutwara. Dore sasa ha. Mama we, izi zose ni incamake. Filime niratangira. Bazira filime noneho. Izi ziba ari incamake filime itaratangira. Ndagitunda. Abasirikare patroli. N'abasirikare bari baje gutwara Santos acuruza guumugi. Yari dira warukaze cyane. Yari pushayi warukaze cyane. Nakumutwara. Babaye bamutwaye. Abapagasi bazahembwa nande. Namave gutwara boss. Boss arakenewe. Patroli. Ari abasirikare baramukeneye. Ari abapagasi bakeneye boss. Boss bamwinjiza mu modokari. We tugende. Tangira modokari. Ba pushayi mukuru baramutwaye. Katroli. Bisasu. Uyu baramuhaye. Imodokari yirenze kandi kamodokari kakogose kari kahiye. Imodokari parika nabi. Captain John Dutton ndetse n'abagenzi be. Uyu munsi niborohewe. Abanywa rumogi banarucuruza nago baboroheye. Santos akuvire mu modokari arerekera. Santos niwe pushayi mukuru.
Oh shit.
Oh mwanda wera. Imodokari yarakongotse. Hafi mu basore bose bazanye na Captain John Dutton. Bazanye baje kureba Santos. baje gutwara Santos bose bari bashiriye aha abandi banywa umujyi barashe John Dutton bana muvandimwe Kwema pisto
Debías de haber quedado en la cárcel, mano.
avuga Spanish agona kubeshya Santos baramurashe abari baje basa nko baje kumutabara nibo bamurangije muri business niyo mpamvu bakubwira ngo nawo kwizerwa uhari muri business nawo kwizerwa uhari Fort Tillman hanga hari mu biro bya Lieutenant Doyle boss
Sir, believe me, if I had the nerve, I'd blow my brain. Since I am afraid to die, I want total immunity.
Uva ndakubwiza ukuri barabaye bamfasha mva ntapfa.
Santos was taken out today. You think I have time?
Santos agombaga gutwarwa uyu munsi ariko ibintu ntabwo byagenze neza byarangiye bamwishyira.
Your email to Pentagon and get back to me soon.
Umva ibyo nkubwira mva vuba bidatinze uza ko mu gisubizo cy'ibyo ngibyo muhaye umugabo yari afite ubwoba n'umusirikare.
That's pure coke with no cut on it. This shit's been stepped on. Hey,
ariko se mwana by'ibi ngibi biki abanga bacuruza umujyi.
Do you want the stuff or not?
Ushaka kubara none hamwana.
Look, we want it, but the price is too high.
Muri mwana ntikuri twebwe nitwe dukira ibiciro mwana nitwe dukira ibiciro ku isoko. Baragakoma. Kanu bagahire. Umujyi. Bagira gukurikire. Shize mu kimujyi. Kimujyi. Jinga we. Baramurangije Tim Abel amazina nyakuri y'uyu mugabo yagukiriye muri drive kabiri we tuvakora nga tugende mwana tugende mwana mugenzi wacu baramwishe mwana mwana n'urumogi umva niba mushaka amahoro mugende urumujyi bararusize
I'm tired of dealing with those low-level scumbags, boys. We gotta start thinking bigger.
uva mwana ari ikintu dufite gikomeye cyane.
It's going down now,
Sarge, ibyo dukora tubikore vuba. Abagabo nabo n'abasirikari. Uyu akiri hakuno.
Did I get the immunity?
Yeah. You're immune. You rat bastard.
Gombe ko yiteguye akinyendaro. Mugabo afite mu ubwoba.
Stand down.
Goma hasi. Sasu. Baramumennye umugabo yari afite ubwoba. Yikariwe bitaga Doyle.
On the Fox 2. Immunity has been granted.
Bana kabisa ibintu bikoze nkuko mwabimbwiye boss. Akazi ndagasoje. American World Pictures ndetse na Lionsgate Films Inc. barakugeza kuri uyu muso none. Nasta Video Library line mu cyumva. The creator Amaka L. Lester niwe nyiriga filime. Turatangiye. Zira zose zani ncamake. Maka Dakaskosi benshi mukunda kumwita ngo ni Marana. Yabonetse muri Only the Strong Survive. Yabonetse muri DNA The Best. Iki ni igice cya mbere. The Best ni ibirindiro. Hanga basirikare bakambika. Tim Abel yabonetse muri Kill Instinct. Yagarutse muri akangaka. Pora Trekey nawe karimo. Pora Trekey. Noah Black, Dwayne, Marco Psone nawe karimo. Christian Bocha, Madison Mason. Bose n'abakinnyi. Frederick Coffin. Sandukura wakarimo Coffin. Maka Telamane yakoze kuri casting ku myambarire y'abakinnyi turatangiye. Caroline Max yakoze ku myambarire y'abakinnyi custom design. Kandi Guterres production designer turacyatangira. Ndacyabakuramo. Brian Eri Etingi uyu nguyu itiranwa n'umuhungu wanjye yabaye associate producer. Ba brand bakunda kwara watari cyane. David Belataskaye yatereteranyije filime turatangiye. Jax Haitekini cyangwa se Jacques yayoboye amafoto. Paul Jesus yashyizemo akazi ki uhereye no kuri ako. Jeff Albert Hesh Lefani abo bakoze kuri montage turacyatangira. Ajyanye natangiye kuyakoramo akazi. Jeff Sakimane executive in charge of production, executive producer Sakimane. Dana Maka L. Lester baranonosuye turatangiye. ubona natangiye kuhakoramo akazi. Maka LS nyiriga filime ubwe yaranayoboye.
More like family to you.
Dutangire Pentagon.
My men knew the risk they were taking. But this op was double classified. If there was any doubt that this was...
Nakoze ibishoboka ibyo aribyo byose nyine abasore twari turi kumwe ariko gusa by'ukuri none abagabo twanganaga nabo ntabwo bari boroke. Uyaje gutanga report kwa Fande.
And instead of rescuing Santos, Rosado executed it.
Umva, Santos bwaga kwe kwa mwamuzanye ari muzima.
Sir.
Nyakuba twagerageje.
Come on in.
Umva ngwino. Hey. Santos agombaga kumuzana ari muzima. Gusa nanone bapushayi bagenzi be niwe wamurangije.
You know everyone, John.
John urabizi kuri ibintu bimeze aha. Ageze gutya iki gikobwa barasa ngo baziranye.
Carlos Santos. The Mexican drug...
Carlos Santos, uyu mugabo yari umucuruzi w'urumogi ukomeye cyane muri Mexico.
To extradite. We were hoping Santos would provide information regarding payoffs to American soldiers.
Yibuze tuza kwa twabona Santos twari bubone amakuru nyayo afatika y'abantu bacuruza ajya urumogi nawe.
Controlling the Cal-Mex border. As it turns out,
uyu mugabo yakoreye ku mupaka wa Mexique.
He was assassinated by this man.
Ndetse yajyaga kunda kwacisha imogi byinshi cyane gusa uyu munsi yishwe n'abagenzi be.
Emilio Rosato.
Uyu nguyu amwita Emilio Rosato.
Santos is second in command.
Uyu nguyu niwe wari icyegera cya Santos.
He was sent in to rescue him, killed him instead, and took over his operation.
Baje basanga nibo baje gufunguza Santos ariko byarangiye ari bo bamwishe.
What we're going to show you now, Major, are the soldiers that we believe benefited from the attack on your unit.
Gusa byukuri none abasirikare twa dufite twa twize kare bagakora ko bagiye ikintu badukorera.
This is Sergeant Michael S. Gammon, U.S. Army, stationed at Fort Tillman. Emilio Rosato.
Ara abasirikare manaje ngo bena Amerika akora ngaha.
Santos is second in
uyu nguyu amwita Emilio Rosato.
command.
Uyu nguyu ni cyegera yari cyegera cya Santos.
He was sent in to rescue him, killed him instead, and took over his operation.
Aba naboherejwe kugira ngo baze kuba babuhoza Santos ariko byarangiye ari bo bamwishe.
What we're going to show you now, Major, are the soldiers
Major arashaka kubona kwereka
that we believe benefited from the attack
ndetse uyu mugabo twize ko ashobora kuba dukora akazi neza arabaye afatanyije n'abagenzi be barangaha.
on your unit. This is Sergeant Michael S. Gammon, U.S. Army, stationed
uyu nguyu bamwita Sergeant S. Gammon.
at Fort Tillman.
Yeah, man. He was given a Silver Star after Desert Storm, wasn't he? Rescued a ward full of patients from a hospital during a Scud attack.
That's right.
Yabwa tuva twego twagakwiye kuba twakora akazi singombwa ngo mwe mwatuzana abandi bantu.
Medical for a while.
Umva.
Turned in excellent condition, but
Gusa byukuri none ibyo bajya kuba badusaba ko nanga birasa ngo bijye kuba byafata condition ndende.
Why?
Kubera
Cracks can be patched, Major, but the weak spot's always there.
Major ndagusezeranya ko ibintu byose bijye kuba byagenda neza mu gihe turaza kuba dusenge ku mugozi umwe turaza kuba twagarika aba bantu bacuruza uyu mugi.
Nicholas Castellano.
Uyu nguyu amwita Nicholas Castellano.
Richard P. Henderson.
Uyu nguyu amwita Anderson.
All stationed at Tillman. Fairly clean records, although Castellano came into the Army as a
Byiza cyane ibyo urimo kuvuga birimo birumvikana.
problem child. Knox is Gammon's shadow. Henderson is his right hand.
Ndetse rwose byukuri nginaga ari imikino gusa Anderson muri bare bose arasa nk'ari uri hasi. Gusa araza kuba yabafashe cyane.
These snapshots were sent to us, courtesy of Lieutenant Stephen Doyle, also stationed at Fort Tillman. Seems that Gammon and company have been getting fat taking payoffs from Santos on
Icyo ndimo ndakubwira ni kimwe musore muto. Wowe wagakwiye kuwakiyunga kuri iyi kipe. Iyi kipe ni ikipe isa nkaho ikorera hamwe. Murasengera ku mugozi umwe muri uburyo mwagarika abantu bacuruza ibiyobyabwenge.
something.
With all due respect, sir, but...
Ibyo mbwira ndabyubaha.
It's a simple production.
Umva biroroshye ariko.
He's already admitted involvement in drug trafficking and racketeering.
Bari abagabo n'ubundi basanzwe bakora mu ikipe ihagarika abantu bacuruza ibimogi.
Men are selling drugs to the local dealers and U.S. munitions to a major cocaine distributor.
Lieutenant Doyle called us last night.
Intambara turimo turarwara muri aka kanya niyo kuba twagarika aba bagabo bacuruza urumogi.
We need your help.
Mbona ukeneye ubufasha. Uyu nabyumva. Kuno washobora kuba wamubwira.
Brigadier General Albert Becker.
You think he's involved?
Umva.
What we want you to find out.
Murasoko mujye kuba mwagera ku
Lieutenant Andrew.
itegeko rya General Becker.
I believe you two have worked together before.
Gusa byukuri none mbere yo kugenda ubanza ibitekerezo neza musore.
Yes, sir, we have in the Philippines. It was hot.
Gusa ntacyo bitwaye.
You'll be wearing a wire this time, Major.
gusa by'ukuri major nawe ugomba kuba uri tayari. Tugaruka ko nangane kuri Fort Tillman Army Base ku birindiro bya gisirikare muri California. Fort Tillman Army Base muri California. Uyu ayingoye ari kipe agomba kwiyungaho ya gisirikare y'abasirikare bagenzi be. Bagasenyera ku mugozi umwe bakarwanya bara ba drug dealers bara abantu bakameje bapushaye bakamejeje. Buretse
Papers.
ibitamburisha sha. Nene mugenzi wabo.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome.
Bana murakoze cyane ugira umunsi mwiza murakoze. Welcome murakoze. Komeza urugendo. Captain John Danton niko agarutse bamwita muri aka ngaka. Marana niko umuzi nka Marana. Captain John Danton. Fort Tillman Army Base muri California. Hariho turi we. Amahe soja. Uyu ni mugenzi wanjye ubu twakubahana. Uyu turubahana. Amazi y'abakomanda amazi. Bas. Aje kuri uruhande. Ndagira ngo mwibutse twabonye hari abandi basirikare. Nabo basa ngo bacuruza ibimogi. Kuryo bahura na bapushayi bahuye barabica bakabatwara ibiyobyabwenge. Kandi ubayoboye ni wa mugabo twabonye bita ngo ni Sergeant Gammon. Sergeant Gammon ngo yarumwe ngo mu ikipe yari ikomeye cyane. Ni wari wabayenga abasore ngo bahagarikaga ngo ba drug dealers bapushayi. Urebe neza witonze.
Quite a character you are, Corporal Dalton.
Sir.
Your record here has more spots on it than a...
Barakwereka aje kunangaha. Aha niho bamwohereje. Agomba kuba yahura n'ikipe yanuze ya Sergeant Gammon. Ubundi none ngo bagasenyera ku mugozi umwe bakarwanya bapushayi.
I'm an officer, son. When I need a reminder, I will send for the president. Now,
sasa musore,
you gonna behave yourself in our fine base here?
Izere kutagiye kuwakemereza cyane muri ibi birindiro, sibyo? Yega fandi.
You try. You are gonna try.
Ibyo uragerageza kugerageza byose.
Son,
ugende gake.
I will bust your ass down.
Kuko ari nje uyobora hanga uribeshye ushaka gutwara ibintu mu biganza byawe. Ndakumira bunguri wa musore. Ndabyumva fande. Ndakurikiza amategeko.
That'll be all.
Durukura fande areba. Kubitirisa ari bana Chahusha. Nuko ajyuka we. Ubonye uko urajyuka. Captain John Danton. Fande. Arongera asura mu dosiye y'umusore. Uriya musore arabona adasanzwe. Uriya musore adasanzwe. Fort Tillman Army Base. Ibirindiro bya gisirikare. Bani muri California turi. Los Angeles. Raka aza kuri uruhande. Ni ibisore babirimo biritoza amasaha yose. Ni bigenzi bya Gammon. Kumbe Gammon na warahari Sergeant Gammon. Dore nguyu Tim Abel amazina nyakuri original names. Nakubwira abonetse muri Kill Insect yagarutse muri aka ngaka.
John Dot reporting and Rebecca assignment to your unit. Thought I might do well here.
Bana baranyoreje ngo nzakurangaza kwingo kuri unity yawe.
Find that out.
Ugomba kuba witeguye musore.
Tell you what. Since your first day and all, take it easy on you. How about that? Yes, Sergeant.
Bana kabisa ibintu bitware gahoro wiyoroshye. Yego Sergeant.
Corporal Knox, Corporal Dalton.
Caporale. Ndagira ngo uyu musore umusuzume turebe ko urameze. Niba yakiyoga ku ikipe. Caporale, ngo ni koporo.
Gentlemen, sit in the pit.
Dalton. Square gear. Sergeant.
Uri tayari ndi tayari. Ndi tayari Sarge. Gwino bagomba kubanza bakamusuzuma. Nagupfa kwiyuga gutyo kwikundi. Batubanje kumusuzuma. Sergeant Gammon akurana n'ibisore bikaze cyane. Fasha igiti sha. Fasha ku giti. Hey. Captain John Danton bagomba kubanza bakamusuzuma. Uramusore ko mubona mubire akikora nonsa. Kuri amusore mubone ababera akikora nonsa. Bandari tegereza. Bagomba kubanza bakamusuzuma. Nagupfa nta gupfa kujya mu ikundi gutyo igikingo kiramubonye ngo amabere ngo yikora kitonse utwe bose yaje basi bose yaje basi raka uri ni ibisori Sergeant Demon akorana n'ibisori wa mugingo we gwaramukanze eba ni yamini mishi kubikira as Sergeant Demon byose arabireba fandi ukuri yikundi
Peterson, Castellano, in.
wegera nawe sha sore baramwatatse kumuvandimwe wa mugingo raka uyu ni yoroshye John Dalton afite iranka rya captain
Come on.
we Venus kubita hasi batichuma we ndakubaga byari suzuma sibwo bibayeseriye
What die, you son of a bitch?
watano w'inzererezi we cyano w'indaya Captain John Dalton
Take this over me, sweetheart, huh?
wamugingo watuzama
You don't show me shit. Dalton, stand down. Let him
Wait.
go, Corporal Dalton. Now, goddammit.
murekure none ha mugingo
Getting you next time.
ubutaha nzagucisha usi wa mugingo nzagurunzura
Take it easy on me today, Sarge.
Sarge umunsi bigenze neza nitwe neza
Sergeant. Dismissed. Get the hell out of here.
yarabikomye shawo yarakomye yakubise Bakaritas
What the hell happened?
cyera muginga mwana ubutanze muryo bubisi mwana kandi aragikomye ubutango kizamurya bubisi kandi aragikomye ibyo kigera ha ngaje kwiyunga kuri iyi kipe bajya barwanya bapushayi murafitwe nibwo akigeraho ikaze yararihawe yahawe ikaze kumbe mukuza agufite akantu kameze nka microchip ndagira ngo ukurikire urebe neza witonze Captain John Dalton agufite n'akaredio recorder bwa radio bumwe bufata amajwi urebe neza witonze ubwo cyagera arimo kurwana nabo ubwo cyamubwati ngo ubutaha nzakwica hako nanga abagabo aramagabo bakunda gukoresha mufandi yaraje gamo
Simon, get your gear together. Let's go. Hey,
we giye kirageze ngo tweke tugende we nagutindamo itegure usa tujye mu kazi nibwo akigira gusa umugabo arasa nkaho yaje kuneka iyi kipe ya gisirikare iyi kipe arasa nkaho yaje kwinenga byanyabyo ubundi hakona ngaha nawemereye kuhaca ari ku cyapa ariko handitse nakwinjirira ariko nanone hari imodoka za gisirikare tayari baba bari mu kazi.
As you were. All right, gentlemen, listen up.
We mwumve.
I want to stress the significance of our responsibilities out here. We Mexican border in an effort to deter and, if necessary,
icyo tugomba gukora ni kimwe no kurinda umutekano wako mupaka
across the borders of
nawe ugomba kwinjira igihugu cyacu
proper documentation.
Muranyumva?
Drug dealers, desperados, or general scumbags. Dalton, you have any questions?
Nizeye ko nabindi bibazo.
Good. Where's the Simon?
Nabindi bibazo nyakubahwa.
You know, to take a left sector over here. You have any questions?
No, sir. Ibibazo mufite nabibazo dufite nyakubahwa.
Chain over here while you
mukora akazi rero neza kandi mugakora neza.
Yes, Sergeant.
Yego, Sergeant.
Average 2015. Now, it's no coincidence that you're in my squad. I'm gonna make you or I'm gonna break you.
Icyo mabwira ni kimwe.
No. Kissing ass just pisses me right the hell off.
Ahanga ninjye utegeka nta muntu ujya munsi y'amategeko yanjye. ndabyumva sergeant.
It's in your ass.
Rwose byukuri mbaye ngiye munsi y'amategeko yawe ushota akaburu kanje.
See there, boys? A little humor can be very disarming.
Mwayibonye basore, uyu musore n'umwana mwiza.
Go on, Dalton, you got that? Yes, Sergeant. Now what are you ladies waiting for? Goddamn invitation? Move out and draw fire.
Ubu sasa tujye kuba twakarekera mutegura umuriro wanyu.
Careful, Knox, you might whoop your ass again.
Wumva, gusa byukuri none niringire yuko utari bubongere kubaza kuraniza abasore banjye nanone nguko abananije. Yaba habuye kari. Ubwo basa ngo bari barimo baramusuzuma. Uyajeje gukorana n'ikipe. Harimo na za radio recorder za microchips yazizanye. Twarutsinga tumwe dukurura amajwi. Ndajya gukurikira urebe neza witonze. Bigaragara yuko iyi kipe aje gukorana nayo ya gisirikare. Iyi kipe ntabwo bayizeraga. Bigaragara yuko bafande nabo bayikimangaga. Bagombe kuba bakorana n'abantu bacuruza urumogi. Katrore. Ariko ko ibyo batekereza nibyo. Bahura na bapusha bakabica bakabatwara ibiyobyabwenge. Abangaba nabo bacuruza urumogi. Katrore.
Good. Well, by God, I'll drink to that.
Mwana, ndabona nge nayo turi buze kuba twahuza kabisa. Ndabona turi buhuze. Umwe ni captain undi ni sergeant. Uyu nguyu ni sergeant.
This Fox 1, roger that. Sane, sit right here, over.
Basore mbyukuri nizeye ko akazi muri buze kuba mwagakora neza kandi ngumvuyeho. Ako kanya barakwereka igikamyo cyazaga. Bya bikamyo bimwe bisa nko bitwara imyaka.
Check them out. Roger that.
Bamusuzuma neza murebe. Icyo gikamyo mumenye ibyacyo.
Nothing. Just follow my lead, understand?
Ira kamyo urayibona. Icyo ugomba gukora ni kimwe, ugomba gukurikiza imyitwarire yanjye. Ibyo nkora nawe ari gukora. Na fande. Ari barabwira captain. We ni sergeant. Sergeant Gamoni. Uyu woherejwe ari we Marana, uwo muzi nka Marana, we yagarutse bamwita ngo ni Captain John Danton. John Danton bamwohereje gukorana n'iyi kipe. Gusa iyi kipe yaje gukorana nayo. Barayikemagaga, barayikekakekaga. Bro bashobora kuba bakorana n'abantu bacuruza urumogi. Katrore. Uko umusore yaje yiteguye afite ibikoresho. Za modoka za gisirikare zaraje zitambika ya kamyo. Urebe neza witonze.
Step from the vehicle. Get your hands back the field. Get them up.
Rakadura ikingi cyara rwaze cyangwa inyoye rwishi.
Go on, put your hands back the field.
Abakofira mu gikamyo.
This some kind of fucking joke.
Mwana imeze bite ko twumvikanye mugeri?
Like a fucking joke, yes sir.
We, urakeka ko naga ari imikino. Ifite na kabucura ka pisto.
That's Lionel.
Nice work, Dalton.
Mwana uteye neza mwana.
I could have been killed.
Usabye kurya wicunga iteka utisha ushobora kwicwa. Atisha ashobora kwicwa. Abanga barasa ngo baziranye nande na Afandi Sergeant Gamon. None wafashe kumwana agafaranga tukikomereza mwana. Mwana ngo siko bimeze ahubwo tuduteze ibibazo.
Sergeant.
Yes sergeant.
You got something?
Aricyo mfite akoranga.
What's the story, amigo?
I don't know what that is.
Mwana nyewe ngisinzi byari byo. Ise gutya. Muri umuki. Cocaine.
This help you figure it out?
Ibi ntabwo waruzi byari byo.
All right, pat him down. Pat him down. Turn around, face the truck. Hands on the truck.
Hey. Amaboko ku modokari.
What the fuck?
Ariko se mwana ufite ikibazo ki? Baramukoma. Baramukoma. Jeri. Waka.
You are attempting to bring illegal substances into the United States.
Mwabaginga mwe nawe murabizi. Kwanza ibyo murimo murakora ni bihamanya amategeko, none tubafatanye n'urumogi.
Respect.
Bari barimo barinja mu buryo bwa magendo.
Sorry, Sergeant.
Mbabare sergeant.
Let's take him in. Amigos, put your hands on your heads.
Ushute amaboko hejuru.
Come on, you'll live.
Mugiye muze tugende. Tugende.
Mom, it's contraband.
Fasha ko nangasha munagira urumogi.
Hey, Sergeant.
Yes, Sergeant.
I don't love for these roaches or the paperwork that goes with the bust. I say we earn this money.
Aba bagabo kabisa bigaragara ko bashaka kuba banatanga akantu gatubutse.
Your unit.
Dore amafaranga yari yaguhaye. We na unity yawe. Ukora na unity yawe ni ibintu bikomeye cyane kabisa byiza. Mereza ko nanga afata twa dufaranga.
No, smoke this with the contraband.
Aba barezi n'ubundi utu dufaranga n'utwo bari ba tugeneye n'ubundi nago twadusiga. Akira mfasha sha. Yega fandi.
Damn fine bus, Dalton. Remind me to buy you a cocktail.
Umva, uri kumwe nanjye uzabona byinshi, uzanagira kuri byinshi. Unanisoma unanipata? Nakupata fande. Kijana. Hey. Tugaruka hako nangaha. Yaramusohokane muzana hako nangaha babyina bambaye twa bikini. Kwa twenda tumwe two ku mazi nitwo babyina hako nangaha bambaye. Aha tayari do.
It's a good whiskey. Ought to be. It's my personal style.
Barakwereka hako nangaha fande. Sergeant Gammon n'abasore be arukuntu nimugura basohoka bakaza kurya ubuzimamo.
Something? Sure. Ask away. You didn't keep that roll of cash.
Abamansuzi bangaha babyina biyambara twa twenda tumwe. Abantu bogora kuri za piscine. Twa bikini.
Damn near 10.
Umusore byanze bikunze agomba gukora ibishoboka ibyo ari byo byose. Ndavuga Captain John Dalton agomba kwisanisha n'aba bagabo. Akamenya ibyabo bakora nk'abandi, bakorana n'abandi. Ibintu akabitwara gake. Yareba nabi bakamutamo. Reka mbatemo.
They don't really get me. They do what I say.
Ramuna fande gake porampola.
Shit, I want to hear about you. What drew you in the army? Oh, man.
Sirasanga batande kugenda binjira gahoro.
The agency when there's a point to it. More four-star generals. He's not even buried in Arlington.
Abayobozi bashobora sanga hari byinshi badutegerejeho.
Get a medley too.
Bazikari ko tugomba kuba twagarika ibibazo by'abapusha ibara hanze.
I've had a problem with some of the rules.
Ndetse ibibazo byose birangaha hanze byerekanye ibiyobyabwenge bazikari ko tugomba kubihagarika.
I expected you.
Nicyo biteze. Bashaka.
About rules, I'll tell you this. Rule number 1.
Hari amategeko akoranga dufite atugenga. Itegeko nimero ya mbere.
Count for number 1. Because at the end of the day, Dalton, you and me, we ain't no different than your daddy was.
Ntabwo ugomba kwinjira ngo ushaka kumenya byinshi.
Can't count on the goddamn suits and we can't count on the army.
Ubaye ushatse kubitwara gutyo ntabwo byaguhira musore muto. Ibyacu bigenda gake. Unanisoma unanipata. Ibyacu bigenda gake.
You know, it's still pretty early. Pretty little senoritas over here. Help you forget about this bullshit.
Ndetse byukuri rimwe na rimwe dukunda kuzakonaga kubwo kugira ngo twibagirwe umwanda tuba twaciyemo ku munsi wose.
Drink.
Munanywamo cyane rwose turanywamo. Umusirikare n'icyo kunywa ruba rwarahise.
What it's worth. I get you. Outstanding, though. Outstanding. You know, also goes right. Gammon isn't just running a small-time operation.
Barakwereka ashaka kunanga aza guhura na umusirikare mugenzi we w'umukobwa.
We stopped a couple of us out of the men at the border.
Aravuga tuva nkubwire.
Straight, but I'm pretty sure they have.
Ibintu hariya ntabwo byoroshye.
Later, Gammon ran the same patrol without me.
Bitewe n'ibyo nabonye hariya ku munsi wa mbere ntagakwiye kuba nakina nk'akaru ka kamera.
You know what?
Wena mbyukuri kamfasha.
In a strange way, I kind of like him.
John.
Wait, it seems to me that you'll be taking him down.
Umva kubwiza ukuri rero. Ibyo ukora byose witonde. Bari abagabo bitonde.
You know what I hear about these big muscleheads?
Mwana mbyukuri sura gushyira akanyamase sha.
Big boy. Oh, sorry. Carry on, boys. Carry on. What y'all doing in your free time? Stand lean.
Bari mbyukuri mwamufite akanyasi.
Outstanding. We'll grab a few exercises planned. Help y'all work off those extra
calories. Dufite gahunda dufite umupango.
You might be interested, though.
Ese mbyukuri nawe urifuza kubaza kujyana natwe?
Yeah? Good. Now, you're aware of these exercises have been devised outside of base curriculum. Participation is not mandatory.
Umva, tugomba kuwakora ni kimwe kugira ngo ube buri kumwe natwe ukore mu ikipe yacu. Bigusa kubona ukaza ufite ibitekerezo nk'ibyacu. Nyiracu bintwaye. Akabaraga ndina ko afande.
Gear up and get out of here, boys.
Basore mwe tayari rero. Mwe tayari. Sergeant Gamon afite abasore yizera akorana akazi nabo. Gusa nanone bitewe n'ukuntu yabonye Captain John Danton, nawe yatangiye kumwizera Captain John Danton. Yatangiye kumwizera bikomeye cyane. Ndagira ngo mwibutse mu kanya uyu nguyu yarari kumwe na wa mukobwa Kelly Andrews. Arimo aramubwira ati barabagabo ndimo najye mu ikipe yabo ntabwo boroshye gusa wagakwiye kubanshakira ka kamera.
Yes sir.
Yego ndakubahwa. Uburumwe muri twe mwana. Hindukira mwana. Hindukira. Baramufata. We hama. Barimo baramureba amabera akikura amabera yaba akikura batonsa. Barimo baramukeka.
Like that pretty boy.
Umuhungu mwiza. Umuhungu mwiza sha. Baramucakaza barebe niba hakuna gatarasha kubaneka.
He's clean, Sarge. Of course I'm clean.
Bana Sarge ari clean. Nta kintu afite. Arakeye. He's a clean Sarge. Uba twebwe nta muntu twizera. Nta muntu twe twizera. Ariko na Bibiliya irabivuga neza cyane. Wizera umwana w'umuntu avumwe.
But I'm not him.
Rega mbyukura fan ndi kumwe namwe.
Get yourself squared away.
Bana kabisa ibyo uvuga koko niko nanjye ndimo ndabibona.
Rosado is cool with the bust. All right, no big fuck.
Gusa byukuri rero twega mu ikipe yacu tugiye guhitamo gakorane natwe. Turabanza tugahitamo uwo tubona ari uwa mbere. Nabigwari dukorana nabyo mu ikipe yacu.
But I say, why the hell should we settle for a damn payoff?
Gusa byukuri none icyo ndimo ndavuga ni kimwe. Uje mu ikipe yacu agashaka kutugambanira arabyishyurira.
Even Pablo. What do you say?
Naho gitubera ikibazo.
Boys.
Yes sir. Nizere ko muri tayari. Turi tayari afande.
You pop it in here anytime.
Batangiye gukeka. Abagabo ni babi cyane. Nta blague bagira. Sergeant Gamoni na bagenzi be. Bakastera no.
Guys in the back of the truck, come on down, I say.
We mwese manuke mwikanye manuke mu modokari. Manuke. You run.
Come on down.
Manuke.
Over there.
Yakunanga.
You know what's today, compadre?
Hey, no boss you musi.
How are you?
Where uti?
Something for me?
Are you fitness? Patrufito mwana.
Gracias. Muy bien. Henderson here is going to take good care of you.
Banaje ngibiro yakonaga mu byitosha. Yafashe amafaranga aragenda arabatinga ibintu babyiteho. Ese ngwiki?
See, we feel so bad about busting your compadres. And we're going to help you boys realize a lifelong dream.
Mumva tujye kuba twafasha mu byukuri murasanga muri muraruta mwabantu mwe.
Are you right here in the United States?
Ntago mwemera kwinjira muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Uburyo bamwinjemo babuhamenya n'amategeko babaha amasasu. Sasu. Uburyo babinjemo babuhamenya n'amategeko. Kandi tayari amafaranga bamaze kuyafata. Iki nacyo nabyo ubwabyo icyaha.
Kandi nawe ufite umugore abura.
Fata ruswa uri umusirikare.
Ufite umugore abura.
Uri umupolisi beshe utanga ruswa bimenyekane. Cyangwa se uri umusirikare uyihabwe. Cyangwa uri umupolisi uyihabwe. Sasu tugabone dukina. Biba bicane. Sergeant Gamora afite ibisore bidakina afite abasore badakina.
All clear, Sarge.
Uyu ngo byose arabirebaga. Captain John Danton. Bimwe mu byo aba bagabo arasa ngo yaje kubaneka. Yaje muri iki kipe asa nkaje gufatanya n'aba basore. Ariko yaje kubaneka areba ibikorwa byabo. Hakunanga harimo urumogi. Narimo akamogi twongeye twari. Twongeye twari we zongeye zahiye.
Delivery to Pablo. Good work, Dalton. Come on. On the Humvees.
Yarabitegereza. Byose kamwe ku kandi. Captain John Danton. John.
Taking care of business, bro.
We business mwiteho neza we. Ni somna ni bad. Barangiza akazi bakajya muri byeri n'amabebi. Sergeant Gamoni n'abasore be bajya batinzamo bakoreraga amafaranga menshi gusa bakora amafaranga menshi mu buryo buhamanye n'amategeko zira nizo bita ngo za illegal business business zitemewe n'amategeko
Los Angeles. Now we got 3 things that he done.
dufite ibintu bitatu hakoranga dufite kuba twahangana nabyo
From here on out, we're players.
sasa icyo mbabwira ni kimwe mwitonde ibyo mukora byose mu byitondere ikosa iryo ari ryo ryose twakora turapfa
Time to lock, cock, and ready to rock, boys.
bakokinga imbunda bakokinga imbunda bagenzi ba Sergeant Gamoni Captain John Dalton arimo akaba kose arakurikirana akaboko kandi araho baje ni mu ijoro nakuvuga ka filime kiswe The Base kiri igice cya mbere The Base igice cya mbere iyi filime ifite kabiri igice cya kabiri kiri The Base nayo bayita The Base kabiri cyangwa se Guilty as Charged ngo kiraguhama nk'uko bivugwa cyangwa se nk'uko byavuzwe ni kabiri yayo niko yitwa we mugiresha mugiresha mugire Raka Sergeant Gamoni.
I see the excitement hasn't slowed you down.
No, quite the contrary. Don't give me a hand.
Where's the Marisha? Zanimari baguterura kunangaha urusanduku runini shaho urusanduku runini barafungura harimo intwaro harimo imbunda mugabo atanga intwaro z'igihugu bakamuhura umugi
Pay the man, Ray.
Bantu uratanga urufito zana urufito intwaro z'igihugu ziratangwa mugabo arazigurisha bakamukubita $1 Black Dollars
50 short, isn't it?
What do you mean 50 short? The deal was 25.
Bueno, ese cocaine iri he uvuga se nibiki
Ray, do you know anything about cocaine?
No, ese byuko nibya cocaine byari birimo se nibyo umugirwa cocaine byari birimo azana kandi gasando kwa kunanga
nukuri ndamuzi nuko
yagize gutya
afunguye
hari n'urumogi.
Where did you get that?
Urumogi warukuye hehe?
Rosado supplies the drugs.
Nwese byukuri biragutunguye Diverox. Biragutunguye.
Pedro. It's Pablo.
Jafate.
Hell up, Pedro.
Umva, urunguru rwagomba kwishyirwa na Pablo.
Dan, comprende? From now on, I will deliver the drugs to you. And you
Umva urumogi njya kurugusigira ndakwizeye uzama amafaranga wowe.
turn this whole operation of yours.
Ibi ni ibintu byose twe twapanze. Umugera shaka rubaho ku ngufu. Ubarugure ku ngufu. Wana ni byinshi tugomba kuba twaganira.
No, papito. You're a fucking dead man.
Uye mwana mushuti urapitera gura bati. Akikarakasa. 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 Sasu. Bakugwamo.
Roberto, Manuel, venga rápido.
Uvuga muri Spanish. Ari kirimo kiraza kivugiriza.
Sorry, Holmes.
Mumbabarire mwana.
They're taking a siesta.
Gusa rimwe na rimwe nuko ibintu bigenda.
Where the hell they come from?
Ntago waruza ngaho bari buze guturuka. Shaka kubacuruza urumogi ku ngufu.
Put your hands up. Come on, Pedro. Put them up there.
Pablo, take the man's deal. Let's get out of here.
Mwana reka twemere dukorane wo mwana. Nose twabigenza gute? Aho kugira ngo tubure ubuzima dukorane nabo. Woni ibingi nibyo bya bindi bakubwira ngo ari ukubana n'umuturanyi mukabana ku ngufu. Bese umuturanyi,
Estimating your troops.
Kubana n'umuntu mukabana ku ngufu. Utabyifuzaga ariko mukabana. Muturanyi wa gahato. Yihaka. yewe
niwe kabisa
ngo baporopoje kubahura umugi baza w'amafaranga abo ko bahakana niko barimo barashira kinane y'amaraso sha
Bring more blood on my face.
So
what you say, right?
Ngwino hanagure agasura kanje.
Operation for me.
Akasha.
Ye?
300 G's in the trunk. Apply the balance to the next goddamn car.
Fata imodokari.
You're the man.
Ibyo ushaka byose byosabye. Umva.
Gracias, amigo. See you next week. Let's go, boys. Oh, Ray?
Basuri.
Here.
Fatima twereke tugende.
Get yourself some decent bodyguards. This ain't no disco.
Utwo ngutwo nitwo ngusigiye. Bose baramukubuje, bamukujeho. Bose bamukujeho. Bas. John yaje ku ruhande. Captain John Dutton. John Dutton. Ubu ni Dutton. Burakwereka ko ari Andrews ahanari. Kaga sirikare kagenzi ke kagakobwa. Kumbu kwinjira gako nangaha arasa nka barimo baramucungira hakurya. Rebe neza witonze.
A present for you.
What's on it?
Tits. Listen to me, murder drug runners. Steal and sell military weapons.
Aho harimo amakuru menshi cyane uri buze kuba wakenera cyane cyane kubyerekeranye n'intwaro amakuru y'ibyerekeranye n'intwaro.
Not yet.
Listen, John, maybe just stay in just a little bit longer.
Wese dukuri imeze biti.
Sure that the ladder stops with Gam.
John dukuri byanze bikunze ko ko amaze kumenya byinshi kuri abo bagabo.
Look, John.
John.
You realize that the only people besides us who know that you went undercover.
Wamaze kumenya ko abandi bantu basa nkaho bari ku rundi ruhande basa ngo bakorana bara basirikari sibyo?
Get too dangerous, they'll just cut me loose.
Ndabizi ibyo ngibyo nabimenya gusa byukuri none iminsi mike yamaranye na bara bagabo ndabona ubuzima bwanjye bushira kuba buri mu kaga.
You know what's funny, Kelly? It's funny that the only guys watching my back are the ones I'm trying to bust.
Icyo ndabona kubwira ni kimwe wagakwe ko washaka abantu byibuza wagakwe ko wabasha mu mugongo wanje. Kuko ikipe ndimo ndakorana nayo ntabwo yoroshye. Yebona yekanya kuma. Ntabwo nariye gakondo.
Yep.
Sergeant Gamara kurana ibisori.
Crew, huh? It's in the works. I don't.
Get it, Sarge, sometime this week.
Sergeant rimwe na rimwe rigiye umuntu aba munyanege nye wepa naguha kabisa naguha nje nagomba kwisanisha nabo ubundi ngo ugiye buryasaza zirya mbisi kandi ne rusanze gira urugatera nawe niwe wikiriza agomba kwigira nkabo kuko bakina amakuru mwana fani nawe urakijya ariko nawe rimwe na rimwe fani nawe urakijya yabyahaza urumogi umva ariko namwe rimwe na rimwe namwe mutekereza ibintu bitagakwiye we barasasa we mitapiga yeye sasa na mimi na mitapiga yeye gusa amasaha yose babikina birakundana bose ibintu nizere ko bimeze neza Sanyo agapista gashyira imbere y'uyu nguyu imbere ya Captain John Dutton.
Took me a long time to decide what it is I want to do in this life.
Fashe igihe kirekire maze igihe kirekire ibintu ndimo ndabitekereza icyo twakwiye kuba twakora mu buzima.
While there I thought I wanted a chance for the medals and the love of my countrymen.
Usabye kuri none rimwe na rimwe tuba dufite kuba twagiye icyo dukora rwose byukuri nka bantu bafite icyo bagakwiye kwamara igihugu cyabo. Tugakora igikwiriye.
I want most out of this life. And that is
ari byinshi nifuza mu buzima.
I want someone to say I have
what I have because of Michael Gammon. Everything that I am and everything that I will be is because of that man.
Yeah.
Now that sounds pretty.
Icyo muraba icyaricyo cyose, icyo naba icyaricyo cyose umunsi cyangwa se icyo nzaba icyaricyo cyose mu gihe cyazaza, byose ibyo bizaterwa n'abantu.
Nako buriya
niyo mpamvu rero ngomba kugaragirwa n'abantu nizeye, ndetse nabo basa nko bafite ibyiringiro byo biri muri njye.
Oh yeah.
None ngubu
what I have to offer.
Sanga ndimo nashaka kuba nasaba.
Ese ni kigero kinini cy'amarangamutima cyari cy'ubwenge ni.
Yiga fande tubwire. Urasaba iki?
My legacy was not good enough.
Abo ndi kumwe nabo hakura ngaha ndasa nkaho nabizeye bihagije. Uyikangamo.
You goddamn motherfucker!
Murabyumva mwabikora kimwe. Umutwe yaramumennye.
Damn!
Stay!
Side deal with Ray.
Uyu mujinga yangambaniraga.
I live cocaine off the fucking top.
Abaswa no batanga amakuru yacu, niwe batangaga amakuru yacu n'umuswa. Niwe batangaga amakuru yacu.
Now expect that kind of bullshit from Ray.
Uyu niwe wanezaga imyangaro, niwe wanezaga imyako. Ngiye gukuru namwizeye. Nanjye wose nzapfanya. Tangira kugira mu bwo Captain John Dalton.
Not a goddamn thing.
Ungambane nago bijya bimuhira. Icyo mabwira ni kimwe.
Don't.
Batazigira umuntu ugerageza gushaka ungambanira ukundi. Uyikangamo. Uyikangamo Captain John Dalton, yikangamo. Sergeant nta mikino agira.
Clean this piece of shit up.
Uyu mwana ndawikishije. Iki gice cy'umwana ndakikishije. Mwana boss kadakina mwana amumenye ubwonko.
Private Calabrese, I have just been informed that Corporal Richard P. Henderson
Umva amakuru rwose byukuri nyeneye yuko
seems that he has taken his own life.
Gusa byukuri nanone ibintu byose bitware kandi ibintu byose uzajya byoroshya mu buzima.
Parents,
ihangane
necessary funeral arrangements.
Bizarangira ugeze ku byo ushaka. Gusa byukuri ndimo ndashaka kubona amenya n'iki cyabaye kuri uriya musore. Afande. Afande ndashaka ko yamenya ngo n'iki cyabaye.
Henderson.
Ku musore rero arimo aravuga. Ndagira ngo ukurikirire neza witonze.
Space with his parents at his side.
Tugaruka yakonaga muri bya birindiro bya gisirikare.
You asked me to take good care of your boy.
Waransabye rwose byukuri gukara gasone ngo mwiteho.
We soldiers are a dedicated lot. And
we byukuri twabone benshi bari muri bagenzi bacu bapfa.
We train long, hard.
Twaritoje bikomeye.
Perfection.
Turitoza neza.
Pressure is never ending.
Gusa byukuri nanone rimwe na rimwe hari igihe ibintu bitaduhira. Hari igihe ibintu bitatugendekera nk'uko tubishaka. Gusa nibivuze yuko tuba tutagerageje.
Rick Henderson's life may have been.
Ubuzima twese tubayemo bugira iherezo.
It was not in any way.
Gusa twese tuba twifuza kuba twagira iherezo ryiza.
It was ours.
Gusa uyu musore yarakwira ibyiza byinshi.
Ask his forgiveness.
Niba nagomba kuba yababarirwa rwose by'ukuri agomba kuba yahabwa imbabazi. Imana izamuha imbabazi. Uwo yakosheje nk'umwana w'umuntu Imana izamworohereze. Basezeraga umusirikare wari wapfuye. Afande ibyabaye byose John Dalton yarebaga. Kandi arasa nkaho yaje nkamaneko muri iyi kipe. Gusa icyo batazi ni kimwe abangaba bari kumwe n'inteko we.
No sir. Castellano? Tell the dead wetback, Sarge.
What do you say, Dalton?
He's on.
Stand.
Bas East Los Angeles. Kugaruka konanga muri East Los Angeles, California. Uburasirazuba bwa Los Angeles. California no tukiri. East Los Angeles, California. barakwereka kunanga barara ku mihanda bafite n'imbunda sirikare baraje sasu akazi kawo nuguhagarika bapushayi binjira bapushe mwana so irondo ryivanze n'ibisambo sirikare bashi bo barwana bapushayi mwana mwana bapushayi bakorwamo ikipe ya gisirikare ni ikina nabo ni nibo bapushayi bakuru binjira barimo barakora urumogi babaha amasasu bisasu ikipe ya Sergeant Gammon Team Abel original names yagukiniye muri Kill Insect muri Drive kabiri.
Let's go, dog. Move it. Tugende.
Bas. Barerekera.
Let's go.
Tugende.
Hustle up. Hey, what's up?
Kugira hands.
Go. Watch your back.
Kugenda kiba guswa umusirikare agenda ari impande zose. Binjiye akunaga mu modoka ari mu bwoko bwa Ford imodoka iratangira. Garuka akonanga aha. Muri ka kabari. Nibo baza gufatira rimwe. Twaribe rimwe ndisomera. Tugaruka hakonanga ko ari rimwe ndisomera aha. Bikini dancers hari abakobwa bamwe babyina bambaye twaturuza two ku mazi hako nanga barakwereka Sergeant Gammon n'abasore be umva
I believe that.
ibyo nayo byizera nanjye yeze zimaze kuba nyinshi umva tugomba guterwa ishema nabo turibo kuko dufite ibitekerezo bya nyabyo kandi bikwiriye Yese turanga kubo kujya ngo dutegura hazaza hacu. Hazaza hacu na muntu zahaduha. Itwe tugomba kuyihesha. Unanisoma munani partner afande. Tumwe ku bwazaza hacu to our future.
And those like us.
N'abandi bameze nkatwe ku bwazaza hacu bashyizemo byeri. Bamena ku bwazaza habo. Bacuruza ibiyobyabwenge, bacuruza intwaro.
I'm not sure we turn.
Yeba no kubwasa zacu kabisa. Hey. Mwana.
That's I'm talking to you.
Mwana kijeho. Kakasinzi.
I think maybe we got some unfinished business.
Ase mwana utekereza yuko ari akazi mwana wasoje, ari akazi utararangiza.
He died when I was a little kid. God rest his soul.
Mambo nuri umuntu ushaka kwigira umuntu matari cyane.
Some of the bitch was the best.
Gusa byukuri mbona umwana w'inzererezi mbona uri umwana w'indaya.
Family thought.
Umva.
Oh yes. Vivolio. Molto bene.
Umva mwana usigira indwanyi ariko nusigira indwanyi kuri nje kumbe kasinze. Nagasinze kasinze. Barakazi nakanyantege nkeya. Gakiramo icupa rimwe kashyiramo irya kabiri irya gatatu riza ari rurangiza. Uriya no musinzi yasinze wana. No musinzi ariko no wacu.
Think Melo got the message? I'm just wondering, the more we expand our power base.
Gusa byukuri none. Nishimiye ikipe yanyu.
Shouldn't I be? And Al Capone wasn't visible. Murder Incorporated, John Gotti, the Gambino family.
Umva John ungutere wameze kwa umuryango wacu.
Touch him. Fucking miracle.
Gusa byukuri nanone reba bari abasore banje ugize n'umukoraho ibyanjye nayo twata tubirangiza yari afite abasore yizeraga Sergeant Gammon bese wabaye nk'umuryango.
You don't see him on my back, do you? You don't see him give me orders, do you? Do you?
Umva kuri ngewe nyine umfata nk'umuntu mukuru kuri wowe urumva ariko nanone ngewe mufata kimwe.
And during my time in service,
nje nango umuntu nakariza igihe cyanjye wandize igihe cyanjye.
They're both buried under the same goddamn dirt. You know what that one is?
Sinkunda umuntu utwara ibintu mu buryo budakwiriye. Uranyumva?
Now, I will be buried in Arlington one day. But until that time,
usabye kuri none umunsi umwe uzatuma mugirira impungenge. Uwo munsi nibwo uzabona icyo ugomba gutinya kuri nge. Ubu nta kibazo nacyo bitwaye. Yikangamo. Captain John Danton yikangamo. Hey!
now I will be buried in Arlington one day.
Kombe. Ya majwi yose Sergeant Gamoni yarimo kuvuga ati ngo umunsi umwe wambabaje. Nibwo mbyukuri none uzabona isura yanjye nyayo.
You tell me this isn't better than a signed confession.
Wamwumvishije. Usabye ko none rimwe njya ambwira amagambo nkayo nkihangana.
Best John.
John wakoze neza.
It's about the capabilities.
Ariko rero dukeneye ibindi bizibiti birenze byo kugira ngo dufate barabagabo.
Bullshit like the fucking suits.
Wimbwira amagambo nkayo ngayo.
I'm living with the devil, okay?
Ariko kuko ubuzima bwanjye buri mu kaga.
I want to shut this ring down before Gammon does take over LA.
Byibuze wakwegura kuri ibyo ngibyo bicyamuzaniye.
Oh, that's just fucking theory too.
Ukawangwa mu biganza by'abarabwo. John tuza.
Listen to me.
John nyumva.
Of course we could indict and Castellano.
Akazemo gukora ndimo ndagashima pe.
This is not alcohol we're dealing with here. This shit is in our.
Ariko none yanga ntabwo ari amahirwe ahagije kugira ngo tube twafata barabwo tube twabahagarika.
I know they don't tell me everything.
Nyine cyo ndimo ndakubwira, nyine kumbwira byose.
Pentagon will not go to court on this.
John barabaga kuri inshuro ngo bagiye ko bacika urukiko rwa gisirikare. Ibyo bakora agomba byishyura John we Yesu we John we amanyakigali ni danje. Yesu we mama Maria. Yo. John we. Yo ni Kelly Andrews na afande mugenzi we bose n'abasirikare. Ibintu babikora kamajeshi. Yo abanyakigali ni danje. Abanyakigali ni danje nyine. Abanyakigali ni danje. Reka nguremo ndumva ngena nacyuwe n'izina ry'Imana ndagapfusha rukara. Uracyuhiwe reka nze nkwereke kwanza reka nze nkwereke reka nze nguzimye. Reka nze nguzimye. Ukene ko tukwamamariza iwacu amagara kuri 0787 639 03 izo numero ubona kuri screen yawe. Nizanjye uvugana nanjye. Ukene filime ngizi ngizi. Ku bwinshi iwacu zirahari. Barambaranye bombi n'abasirikare. John yagarutse muri bagenzi be.
Fucking psycho.
Eba nose bimeze bitegamo.
Running guns, shit like that.
Eba muduha intwaro tubaha amafaranga. Umva.
That's all anybody needs to know.
Yeah, but I've got the heat coming down.
Urabizi by'ukuruzi byade byose urasobanukiwe.
I've had the double security.
I told you.
Umva hakunaga nanye mfite umutekano wikubye kabiri ngafite double security. Afite umutekano wikubye kabiri. Mbese no kwanga umutekano we wikubye kabiri ku mande zombi. Umva. Siwumbwira ibyo ngomba gukora.
That's funny, Ray. That's a good.
Uretse kwa dukorana akazi gusa nta bindi bintu birenze hagati yanjye nawe. Ukuvuga ngo abangaba bano basagenti Gamoni bagurishaga abangaba intwaro abangaba bakabaha amafaranga. Kandi kosi iryo ryo ryose uzakora uzitegura iryo mu mutwe niryo nzakubikamo.
Call me.
Umamagare. Niba ari cyo ushaka kuvuga kizima kigaragara.
Let's go, Dalton.
Twigendere mwana John.
Hey, Dalton.
We, sigaho.
Glad he's getting such a kick out of all this.
Uriya mugabo ukorana nawe ameze nk'umusazi.
Against me.
Arasaga arimo gushaka kundwanya. Umva.
Man, don't patronize me.
Uriya mugabo arasaga arimo kungamanira pe. Arimo arangurisha arimo kunshyira ku kiranguzo.
To step on his own dick. It's up to you to try to rein him in.
Nahanyu kuko kujya ngume mwanrwanaho. Kabone nubwo boss wanyu asanga arimo gushaka kungambanira. Umva.
Dalton.
We.
Anytime.
Wigendere. Bana ntabwo nasuzugura fande. Ntabwo nasuzugura boss. Utazi kimuhatse areba. Gitsuri. Barerekeye. Sergeant Gamoni na Captain John Dalton.
That little bastard still breathing.
Uriyambwira ngo bugoryi kira kinyendaro.
You think I forgot about that butt?
Kiratekereza ari cyatari cyane ari aribwira yuko rumatari cyane. Umva gusa byuko none uhangayikishwa n'uburyo ndimo natwaramo ibintu byanjye wenyizere.
Sergeant kill Ray.
Sergeant.
Might as well retire from the army and run the drug business.
Uriya mugabo ngako ko mwakumvikana mukaganira ku byerekeranye n'akazi. Ahita akanagira feri. Sergeant Gamon yago umuntu umuvugiramo. Umva ntabwo ari wombwira icyo ngomba gukora. Ibintu ngomba kubitwara kuko byose birasa nko bihagaze ku birenge byanjye.
Get the hell out now.
Soka mu modokari nona. Va kuri fora. Soka mu modokari. We.
What the fuck is going on?
Ariko se byukuri Sergeant dufite ikibazo kinini kibijya mbere. We. We mujinga.
Take it.
Fata imbunda.
Take the fucking gun.
Niba usuzugura ibyo ndimo nagutegeka ngo ufate imbunda ndase.
Too much invested in your ass.
Bariya dukorana nabo ntabwo uzabari bo.
You better stop my clock right now. I swear to God, I'm gonna shoot you.
Wagakwiye gukomeza guhagarika kushidikanyaho ukamenya abantu turimo turakorana nabo. Musubize mbunda fandi. Ntabwo nagutinyuka sinakubahuka. Sinakubahuka. Sura mu modokari. Vatiri zimwe nziza. Gusa icyo afana atazi ni kimwe. Ubu ari kumwe n'umutasi. Tugaruka kuri San Luis Rio, Colorado, Mexico no turi. No twagarutse. Ndajya ngo ngwibutse filime itangira. Ubwo uyu Captain John Dalton ndetse n'abagenzi be b'abasirikare bapfire ku rugamba. Bari baje gutwara Santos baje kumwimurira muri Gereza. Aka kagabo niko kazanye n'abandi basirikare niko kazanye n'izindi ngabo. Baraza baje basa ngo baje gutabara Santos. Niyo bishe Santos. Ubwo twatangiranye na filime muri Sonora. Ndajya ngo mubyibuke neza cyane. Aka kagabo ni mwakabonye. Aka karimo karitegereza uyu nguyu kakabona gasa nk'ari ahantu kamuzi. Umva, watch my back. Ucunga umugongo wanjye. Umugongo wanjye urebe. Hey! Hari ibigabo byanutse byahaza urumogi. Nabyo biba birinde boss umutekano.
As do I. I would never tell you how to conduct your affairs, but I feel compelled to tell you.
Umva rwose byukuri genda kwizeye gusa byukuri ntabwo wigize witwareka bitandukanye nuko urimo kwitwareka kuri uyu munsi wa none.
Today he confirmed Dalton was part of the team brought into.
Uyu munsi ndimo najya ngo dukorane neza rwose byukuri kandi nta kintu kibazo kivutse hagati yanjye nawe.
Intelligence.
Gusa nanone umenye yuko bamwe muri bagenzi bawe mu basirikare bari hariya harimo abatasi. Batatira igisirikare cyanyu.
My men have been very clear at this point.
Icyo ugomba gukora ni kimwe rero wirinde. Ando. Ariandro.
Certain Alejandro that the man at the table is the man you saw at work at the Diablo. You see, patron.
Ese byukuri byo ndimo ndagwasa ukuri cyane rwose byukuri boss.
Did any of your other men identify Dalton?
Ibyo nibyo mwani mukene kuba mwamenyesha se. Ndajya ngumenyesha abantu uri kumwe nabo. Bamwe mu basirikare bawe ni abatasi. Batatira igisirikare cyanyu. Alejandro. Urumatari cyane. Kura bibuta itamera Alejandro. Kubwo amakuru ngo bamuhaye. Ngo bamwe mu basirikare ari kumwe nabo ngo nabatasi.
I appreciate your
Nishimye ibyo mbwiye.
good intentions.
Ariko nanone asigaye naho ubushishozi bwanjye.
Your man was mistaken.
Wenda wasanga iki kigabo cyawe cyari kimwe nakora n'amakosa kinambeshya. Yaragarutse ni Sergeant Gamon. Gusabwiye amakuru yuko bamwe mu basirikare be yuko ngo barimo abatasi batatira igisirikare cyabo. We tugendesha. Iryo yari time mu gutwi. Hey! Raka Sergeant Gamon na Captain John Dalton. The base igice cya mbere riko gafilme tureba. Lead creator niwe mwumva. Wa mwami muto ariko ubusanzwe utari gito. Nimero ngizo kuri screen. Ukene kuvugana nanjye ukene ko tukwamamariza. Nkamagariyo nimero ubona kuri tableau yawe. Afana afite uburakari Sergeant Gamon.
It's a personal problem.
Umva.
It's been dealt with.
Ibyo nagarura mugabo.
It's all squared away now.
Ni ibibazo byare ku giti cy'umuntu. Ku giti cy'umuntu. Muri personal problems. Ni ibibazo byihariye. Ni ibibazo by'umuntu ku giti cye.
I'd go over payroll at the hideaway and
ndabona rwose by'ukuri umeze nko bitandukanye nuko wari usanzwe uri.
work too hard, Dalton.
Niko ko byagakwiye. Nako bimeze.
No, not me, compadre. I'm the boss, remember?
Urasa nkaho utanze neza. Ese by'ukuri uribuka ko ndi boss wawe? Ugomba kumbaza biki? Baza bike cyane. Barakwereka iryo joro Captain John Danton yarasohotse, Major John Murphy iryo joro arasohotse. Gusa amakuru atari meza amaze kugera mu matwi ya Afande Sergeant Gamon uyu ko bamwe mu basore be harimo batasi. Hey! Akimara gutangira imoto ndavuga Captain John Danton hari imodoka mutangiyeho, urebe neza witonze. Hari imodoka mutangiyeho yakoze hakuno ngaha hamwe Kelly Andrews Lieutenant akambitse, Lieutenant Captain Andrews, Lieutenant Kelly Andrews akambitse.
Now.
Hangani acumbitse.
That's impossible. No, it's not impossible. You pick up the phone and you dial.
Fata telefone uhamagara general nonaha nyine kuvugana nawe. Ndakwingenze. Kobwa. Telefone ako kanya.
Oxenberg here.
Ni Bogi uri kuri telefone.
You're not sure?
Nyine kuba navugana nawe. Urahamya neza yuko abo bagabo kari wacuruza intwaro z'igihugu? Cyane rwose.
He's on to me.
All right, John, take it easy. I'm going to get you out of there.
John, ibintu bitwara gace byoroshye, sibyo? Banze nange abakuru.
Can't hang around long, General.
Mva birafata igihe kingana iki generali?
Okay.
Sawa.
All right, hang in there, son.
Wetuza. Ibintu vuba bidatinze birarangira. Okay. Kumbe. Uwakurikiranye Captain John Danton ni Sergeant Gamon Afande ubwe. Yabwiwe na kakanya Mexico. Kakanya Mexique. Ati bamwe mu basore bawe harimo batasi. Batatira igisirikare cyane. Bas. Oh, kumbe. Okay. Barakwereka kagasinzi.
Get in, damn it.
Wenja mu modokari.
Yeah.
Yego. Stay.
Shit. Look,
Mwanda.
We don't know for sure Dalton's a rat. I mean, I just checked his room, top to bottom.
Aya mu cyumba numvaga mbangamiwe. Numva garaga ko gukomeza gutindamo.
Goddamn shit. And he makes no.
Ndimo nagira ngo mwanda usanga uri imbere yanjye ngukureho. Mva mwana.
Dalton has been playing me.
Arabaswa basanga banyinye umukino.
It's on his bloody remains.
No ko baranyinye umukino nyenje kubakira umukino urenze.
How do you do it? But for now, maybe the best plan.
Reka tubifatanye mu boss. Uwagukinishije nanjye anyinishije.
What though? If he's on the job, that boy ain't working alone. He's got someone else out here.
Uwensa nkaho nene nanjye kwizera. Wari utangiye kuba hafi yanjye cyane. Nuwensa nkaho nanjye gushidikanyaho.
Well, we got some work to do there.
Nyeka dufite kuba twagiye ikintu dukora. Tangira imodokari. Ndagira gukurikirayo neza witonze. Tugaruka Pentagon.
Hey! Can deliver serious backup.
Ndagira ngo rwose dukuri iki kibazo tugifata nk'ikibazo kiri seriye. Umusore mbwe kacye n'ubufasha.
That's why we have to have all of our intelligence in place before we can make a move.
Dufite abatasi biri hamwe baduha amakuru.
We do not want to take military.
Gusa byukuri nanone nago twagakwiye ko twareka ngo igisirikare cyacu gikomeze cyangiza amahame timo turareberera.
Murphy 12 more hours under cover. After that I'm bringing him in.
Major John Murphy tayari amaze kumbwira byose, amaze kumbwira yuko barabagabo bari muri birabirindiro ko ari bo bacuruza intwaro. Barakwereka Lieutenant Kelly Andrews wa mukobwa yakuvire mu cyumba cy'ahantu yabaga amanutse yahuye na Sergeant Gamon.
I'm not coming around tonight.
Do I know you?
It's a little bit early for work, isn't it?
Zibya byiza dukoranye se. Dukora n'ikisi. Uranze ngewe. Nyine ko dukorana. Kandi biraza kumera neza. Ndagira ngo ujyane nanjye ibintu biraza kuba byakorohera. Umva gihanganira. Shaka abandi batari ngewe. Kubisari. Kiramuha. Kita kimwikorera. Tayari. Mukobwa cyamuzanya kunanga muri butu. Sergeant Gamon Team Abel original names. Yagukina muri Kill Insect. Driver igice cya kabiri. Ugarutse muri akagaka. Barakwereka kuri ruhande. Hari uwazaga ni Captain John Danton. John Danton mukuza kuri ruhande. Hey! Tayari. Abaga barasa nkarimo gushaka noneho kuba yabashyira neza imbere y'ubutabera bw'urukiko rwa gisirikare. Bakaryozwa ibyo bakora. Bacuruza intwaro z'igihugu, bagacuruza n'urumogi. benshi bagiye bapfa kubera iriya kipe ya Tiyande arebye hakunanga Anderson, Castellano, Knox, Becker. Amafaranga hakunanga bakora amafaranga menshi mu madolari kandi. Umukobwa wamuzanye kuri ruhande ni Lieutenant Kelly Andrews. Niwe John Dutton azanira amakuru. Umukobwa tayari akahita atanga Pentagon kwa bafande, kwa baboss bakuru, kwa babwana mukubwa. Umukobwa wamuzanye hakunanga bamushyira ku mapingu. Wisinzira.
Alert the MPs. Tell them that Corporal Dalton is suspected of Border Patrol corruption. You got that? Sir. He's to be detained as soon as he said.
Ndimo ndagira ngo abitwa ngo nabaginga bose bazi yuko dushobora kuba duhabwa ruswa. Bose ukiri pembeni. Mube tayari.
That's right.
Bose ntugire ikibazo. Ugutegeka kwawe ni nk'itegeko.
Listen up.
Nyiramwinyumva.
Green, I'm just gonna have to put a big old piece of duct tape on these pretty little lips of yours, okay?
Mudukuri mu gihe uraza kubucecetse ibintu biraza kuba byagenda neza cyane. Gusa byukuri none ngomba kuguha uburyo ugomba kwitwararika, sibyo? Ngiye ugomba kuguha map ugenderaho. Afata akabagi. Ari mu dupapuro. Bipapuro amena hasi.
That you have against me.
Ndabizi ko akoranga mu bipapuro ko bifite mu byinshi bindwanya. Ariko nanone ntabwo bigiye kuba kuri inshuro.
Is it a perfect world, baby doll? Tell me.
Mukobwa ubaye utambwiye.
I stand.
Umva. Igihe cyawe cyakurangiranye. Ayikorayo. Uruki. Yewe
Government issued piece of ass.
Wakicarizo we.
Now, just in case you missed those.
Utwicarizo twenda ducamo ibicece. Ubaye utambwiye ingumi kuryenya.
Definitely not the poster. Now, I'm going to ask you one more time.
Ndakubaza.
Where is Dalton? And does he have any more evidence?
Nyeneye yuko umbwiye niba ari ibindi bizibitu ufite beturwanya. Ibyo mbaza sinzi byari byo. Gusa
He will kill you.
Icyo nakugwamiriza neza. Captain John Dutton igihe ari buza kubaje araza kukwica.
We'll see.
Okay, turaza kwa tubireba. Barakureka John Dutton hakunaga ari byasomye. Yewe gusubiraga hakunaga mu documents. Yagisohoka mugeri.
Put your fucking hands where I can see.
Wa mukigoro koro iki hakunaga mu biro bya boss.
Whoever the fuck you are.
Uritanda ubundi?
Rosato's boy made you. And Castellano just radioed me saying, Gammons got your girl.
Wakoze ikosa rikomeye cyane wa mushenzi. Umva ngiye kukurangiza. Ngiye kukwica. Kandi ngiye gukora birakwiriye. Uribeshye cyane. Waheze tugangana nge nawe amaboko ku maboko nk'abagabo.
We all know that.
Mwana wajya ngenda gutinya se.
I've got the gun.
Nge ntabwo ngutinya mwana. Kiraseka naraseka. Baka. Hasi. Bamaze kumuvumbura. Bamaze kumuvumbura. John Dutton, Captain. Waka. Sergeant Gammon yakoranaga n'ibisori. Ntabwo yakoranaga n'abanyamayargo, yakoranaga n'abasore basobanutse. Bari icyuma kweri. Ibana rwa Knox rwara munize. Nogisi. Knox. Bakoreraga amafaranga menshi. Nawe ibaze abasirikare nk'abangaba bakora umusirikare ku kwezi ukora nk'ibihumbi 60 na bingahe y'idolari. Fatirimo Knox baramumennye. Knox yaramumennye. Baramumennye. Captain John Dutton yaramumennye na mikino. Nta brag. Bamuvumbuye tayari. Yaragusohokeye. Amazi n'ukogwa amagazi amazi si yandi. Tayari bamaze kumuvumbura. Ndagira ngo ukurikire katrore.
I've been all over the base. I alerted every MP.
Bana boss we nugira ikibazo. Umutekano ngani wose. Ibintu byose ndabitunganya, ibintu byose ndabikoraho neza.
This one on the radio. Looks like somebody ain't been too cooperative, huh?
Bombe. Captain John Danton yaje. We. Bambi kura musore we. We hamwe.
We have orders to detain you, Corporal Dalton.
Dufite amategeko twahowe na boss mukuru kutemera kwinjira mu hakunanga. Akuvira mu modokari. Amwitambika basa cyane kupembeni. Ukura hakunanga barrier. Ukura road block barrier. Ukura barrier. Arinjira.
I'm waiting for information.
Umvanye ko mu makuru nyayo.
Over to the hideaway, sir. I have not heard back from him yet.
Umva bamaze ko batuvumbura.
Well, the little bitch won't talk to me.
Hakunanga afite indaya nyene ko ivugana nanjye.
They got you, sir.
You know, Mike, when we got into this thing,
Umva.
I thought I was making a smart move.
Icyo tugomba kuba twakora ni kimwe. Ako ngako nakabazo gato tugufite kuba twakemura.
To regret my decision.
Ako gakoga dufite kukikiza. Kumbuko bavanga agakoga bagomba kukikiza. Captain John Danton yaje.
This operation is me.
You know, Mike.
Now you take care of me, sir.
Urabizi Mike. Umva.
Don't you lay that loyal.
Kibuno kimbunda. Abitambika. Akira pembeni. We.
And this rat Dalton, you put a bullet in it before.
Ndimana janga koga kwa bukarangize nonaha. Wivugana kamagambo menshi.
Maybe too late, General.
Generali wakererwe.
Step away from your desk.
Vaho ngaho mu ntebe. Vaho mu ntebe.
Interpreted the situation here, Corporal.
Umva. Situation kunanga hiroroshye. Nakubwiye ngo vaho ngaho muri yo ntebe. Oya sindahava.
Got a hold of my partner, so you're going to take me to her.
Umwunganizi wa nyabizi mwamufashe. None kuye umwana aramumenye. Afande akoranaga na ba Sergeant Gamon. Niwe wabahaga amategeko. Niwe watumaga bacuruza intwaro z'igihugu. Bagacuruza ibimogi.
Where is she?
Uko ari hehe?
You can still die with some honor, General.
General mwarakosheje. Yewe. Nundi ibibazo biracyari uruhuri. Yaciyeho. Generali.
Yeah, Gammon here.
Sergeant Gammon.
Yego.
Corporal Dalton just shot General Becker.
Roger that.
Generali tayari yamaze kuraswa ndabyumva.
Be right back. Let's go.
We tugende. Generali wamaze kumuhibye. Generali wakoranaga na Sergeant Gamon. Ni bisori. Bisori aramurangije. Ageze hako nanga yabonye ba MP. Mupoe ba pepure. Muceceke ba pepure. MP ni military police. Military police. Sasa mukurikiza masasu. The best. Kini gice cya mbere. Iyi Star Video Library line mumva. Narakubwiye ngo ndurugero rwiza kuri babande banzi neza. Mwaba urujijo ndetse n'amayobera kuri babande banshidikanyaho. 0787 697 03 ukeneye ko twamamariza iwacu cyangwa se hari service ukeneye ko twagufashamo. Uri nko muhanzi ukeneye ko twamamariza imiziki yawe tukazatuyicisha kuri filime zacu. Uri umukomediye ukeneye ko komedi zawe zimenyekana zana tukwamamarize. Hamagara 0787 697 03 kuri Instagram nitwa Lead Creator cyangwa se likabarye. Kuri TikTok naho ndiyo nitwa Lead Creator. Sona bamukurikiza ibisasu. Sergeant Gamon yizi yari amaze kumenya ko uyu musore mu gihe yabasohotse muri iki kigo ari muzima. Amakuru yabazajya hanze yuko bacuruza intwaro z'igihugu ndetse bafatanya bacuruza n'ibimogi. Ibibazo bivuke bas bagomba kumuhagarika atarasohoka muri iki kigo. Birerere mugenzi Katsiriri. The best. Ibirindiro iyi filime ifite kabiri. Nakubwiye kabiri yayo yitwa The Best. Irindi zini kitwa Guilty as Charged. Ukiraguhama nkuko byavuzwe cyangwa se nkuko bivugwa. Katsirore none uzacikwe. akinwa na Antonio Sabato Jr. wabonetse muri High Voltage. Ntucikwe. Yarashamu zinga na kucika yohereza ibisasu. Sergeant Gamoni. Yazanye igifaru. Ndavuga cya Burende, to Burende. Jabire ne waduteye story. Ngo Ronaldo ngo ajya muri Inter de Milan, El Fenomeno uri umunya Brazil. Wamutwe muri to Burende. Yagiraga ipindi kweri. Jabire, ari Jabash. Hari aseje mundana kamuteka mu ryoheri. Kebana ngo Ronaldo bajya muri Inter de Milan ngavuye ngo muri FC Barcelona. Ngo yagiye ngo bamutwaye ngo muri to Burende. Ari Jabire. Papa Di Costa. Papa Gerari. Jabir. Mutozo w'abagaride ba polisi. Ndamusuje cyane mu kirundi bari ngo ndagukengurukiye.
Drop your weapon, Corporal. I got a better idea, Dalton.
Raka.
We don't have to do this.
Ibiko ko mufite kubikora. Ngwiki?
Fucking stabbed us in the back.
Wa mujinga we. Waratugambaniye. Ugomba upfe. Sas. Maka da Cascos. Benshi mumwita ngo ni Marana. Haraga filime yakiniyemo baririmba ngo Parana. Byose ni mwebwe mwabiteye.
Henderson was a rat just like you.
Iki se wa mujinga we twarakwizeye. Umuntu ngawe nagakwiye kutugambanira. Hey.
Gammons going down, Castellano. He's going down. He's going to take you down with him.
Mushyire intwaro hasi ibintu byose birangire.
Get on your weapon.
Mushyire intwaro hasi.
All right.
Sawa.
You want to throw down? Let's throw down.
Urajya ngo nuze? Nagutuza kabisa. Saso. Hey. Captain John Dutton. DJ Omari Ingozi mu Burengo. Kakuryoherewe n'abakira bawe. DJ Omari. Numuhatari byo Ingozi mu Burengo. DJ Omari. Agufatira inkoho mu kirundi ngo nimbunda. Aka kagufitiye inkoho nimbunda. The base cye hejuru akareka nka hibyago hama hamwe freeze.
Drop your weapon.
Imbunda yawe hasi. Drop your weapon. Imbunda hasi. Jugunya imbunda yawe hasi. Agapfa kap muri we mongo kaje gukira imbunda sikasaba yarakamenye. Nika Castellano yarakamenye nika Gasinzi. Yewe we barakumanukira. Maka da Cascos. Nakubwiye benshi mu muzinga Marana. Gusa bamwise Marana bitewe n'agafilime yakinnyemo baririmbamo Parana.
What kind of soldier are you? No damn loyalty. Loyalty?
Uri umusirikare ushaka kwigira intungane.
Gammon.
Ahubwo ni mwebwe mwigize intungane.
Soldier.
Nk'umusirikare.
Drug dealer.
Urarengera.
Lost.
Ugacuruza ibiyobyabwenge. Uri drug dealer.
Shit.
Waratsinzwe.
I still got my pistola. Padre. Now be a good boy and drop your weapon. So me and my
ubaye umusore mwiza wakira intwaro yawe hasi.
lady friend here can walk out.
Cyangwa se uyu mukobwa agapfa bikajya ku mutwe wawe.
Now drop your weapon.
Shira intwaro yawe hasi.
Or head off.
Mano intwaro yawe. Cyangwa akagakobwa nkabika iryo mu mutwe. Ngarasi iryo mu mutwe. imbunda yishyira hasi.
Wait, Sarge. Shoot me.
Sawa Sarge, gahunda sa.
That's an outstanding idea.
Sawa, reka ariko tubigenze ngumi. Waka. Lieutenant Andrews. Aje kigabo kimushyiramo. Captain John Dalton. Samuka jatari kibara gikoma. Najo kirohereza. Bose barahana. Bose na batari. Bose na batari. Bose na batari. Captain kuri sergeant. Sinamuterura. Ndakwambara. Ndagutamo. Reka ngutemo. Nanjye reka ngutemo. Hey. Kigufatira kunanga agashoka. Ndagushokora ndagutama. Ndagutamo. Reka ngutemo. Utamunde. Ndagutamo. Ngaho gufatira urutiyo. Ndagutamo utamunde. Ndagutamo. Utamunde. Ndagutamo. Reka ngutemo. Fashe imbunda mutera urutiyo. Yamutera urutiyo mu gatuza. Wingoranya ku mutima. Okubitisha nuwa yewasa. Harya ne wasa. W'amashanyarazi. Nuko Sergeant Gamuna avuye ku mvange. Lieutenant Kelly Andrews yaraje. Sergeant Gamuna yapfuye nk'imbwa. Mana nyange mbega.
Okay?
Meze neza. Yego. Bana niko vizuri kabisa. Niko vizuri sana. Unafanya kazi kabisa. Nzaguhemba. Uzamemba iki? Barakwereka mugenzi. Captain John Dalton ndetse na Lieutenant Kelly Andrews barasohotse bakimara kurangiza akazi. Abandi basirikare nabo bari barimo baraza. Imodoka yari yaraparitse. Abani bakibamba. Umva tuva kuranga tugende. Let's begin here. Imodoka yari yaratangiye. Agafilme nuko kagenze kitwaga The Best. Iki cyari gice cya mbere. Iyi filime ifite kabiri. Yarukuba muri Star Video Library. Lead creator niwe mwumvaga wa mwami muto ubusanzwe utari gito. Nje narakubwanda urugero rwiza kubanze neza ndetse banasobanukiwe neza. Mwawe urujijo ndetse n'amayobera kuri babandi washidikanyaho. Mwakoze kuza kandi murabeho. Ndabakunda cyane. Nagakurikirane mucikwe. You The Best. Rimwe niyo twariho. Imana ibarinde nawe ubutaha. Ciao. The Best igice cya mbere niko twariho.